Hello, all my yarny friends. You're seeing me in a lot of the same shirt in several videos, but I am putting together a bunch of videos today because I've got a busy weekend. So when you're watching this, this is Friday, and I wanted to come on. Shannon from the Spoony Stitcher sent me a Woobles kit, and I wanted to open it and review it on here and just give you my thoughts on these Woobles kits. I have been wanting to try one of these for a long time. So let's open this up. I haven't even opened it yet. Let's open this up and let's see what is inside. Uh, all right, and this is called Chimmy. So we have the yarn, we have the black and the white. Whoop. A little pink or peach, I guess, and some yellow. And look at this. Inside, this is the main color. The yellow is the main color of this guy. And look, I love it. This is what I like about Woobles is they get your ring, they get your magic ring started for you. The magic ring in the first round is started for you, and they mark the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So you can actually, if you're a beginner and getting this kit, you can see exactly where to put those your hook to make your stitches, and you know exactly what those stitches look like. So that's pretty awesome. I like that. We get this is so cute. It has Chimmy on it. This is a Woobles hook, and it doesn't have the size on it. Let me see if it says on the back. 4mm. 4mm hook. This is cute. There's Chimmy. That's cute. So we get the hook. Let's see, what else do we have in here? There's more in here. A little bag of stuffing. And you get this little instruction packet. How to Wooble. We Wooble bits. So let's open this up and see what's in here. Oh, they gave us a little bit more black yarn. I believe that's for doing the detailing on the face. And we have, oh, yay. I mean, everything you need, minus the scissors. But I have those. So we have a needle, tapestry needle. And we have a set of safety eyes. You get the little posts and the backs that go on them. And what I think is cool is they gave us 1, 2, 3 of them. There's 3 in here. I think probably because there's 2 eyes, and it looks like the nose is sewn, but I guess you could take the third and make the nose with the third safety eye. So I'm going to put all of this to the side, and I'm going to put it all back. I'm going to put it all back in here because I do not want to lose any of this. So those little safety eyes are going right back in here. All right. So let's take a look at this part. Make Chimmy. Follow the step guide. Go to and type in this password and to go to the, and I'm not going to show you that. I'll cover it up. But there's a QR code that you can scan, or you can go to their website, and then they give you a special code to put in so that you can get the pattern for this. So fun. Let's see. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to pull this up on my phone and I'll show you what the pattern looks like. Okay guys, this is pretty cool. I put in my code and it puts you right here, right-handed. They give you right-handed and left-handed instructions. That is awesome. I love that. And then just if you're new, it gives you all of these videos to watch. Overview, hold a hook and yarn, single stitch, increase, move the stitch marker, get back into crocheting position, second increase, finish round 2, reading basic patterns, reading patterns and brackets. So all the basics that you need to look at and watch before you start crocheting. And then it goes into the head and it tells you all the steps, the face and the ears. That is so cool. So let me take a look here and see. What it said.
With this kit, you're going to learn how to crochet.
And there's a video.
In the process, make
cool.
BT21's shimmy. We're going to start with the pre-started piece that's in your kit, and then make the. With any Woobles kit, you're going to be doing more than just pass the time. You're going to be learning a new.
Okay.
I'm going to be demoing most of the.
Okay. I'm not a beginner, so I don't need to know how to hold the hook in the yarn. I know how to do a single and I know how to do the increase.
Before we continue, we're going to pause for a bit to make sure that we wind up with a wooble instead of a doily. So we're actually going to take our hook out of the piece, and before we do that, we're going to pull the hook away from the piece so that the loop on the hook becomes really big.
Okay, they're showing us how to move the stitch marker.
Like me and accidentally pull on the yarn.
That's pretty cool. They're showing how to move the stitch marker. These videos are super detailed. She takes it step by step to actually show you where the hook goes, where to place the stitch marker. Super awesome. I love that. Okay.
Before we get back into crocheting position, let's get oriented. We want the big loop for your hook to be in the upper right hand corner. And since we moved the orange.
Okay, they're even showing you how to reorient yourself to move to the next stitch. That is awesome. Okay.
Now we're going to start the second.
Now, here's what I want to look for. Oh, okay. I really don't need the videos because I understand how to crochet. But guys, these step-by-step videos are perfect for a beginner because she goes super slow and she's very specific to show you how to do each one. But if you're a seasoned crocheter and you know all of this and you just want to work the pattern, right up here at the top it says download pattern. And you just click on it. And there's the pattern right there. And it's written pattern. It has the abbreviations. It has pictures to help you if you need help with the pictures. So guess what, guys? I'm just going to get right into this. And I'm going to work this up. And then when I come back, I'll show you the finished Wooble. And I'll just give you my opinions on how well this worked. All right, guys, I am back. I have finished the Woobles. I have finished Chimmy BT21. This is what it looks like on the cover. And here's mine. What do you think? Pretty close, huh? I love him. I think he's so sweet and so cute. Thank you, Shannon, for bringing this to me, for sending this to me. I appreciate it so much. One second. Sorry, I had a crazy pop-up come up for some reason on my laptop. Anyway, thank you, Shannon, for this sweet, cute little pattern. I love him. He is adorable, and he's going to sit right here on my desk. And I want to say that I approve 100% of these kits. This one was too sweet and too cute, and I love him. Love him, love him. I had more than enough yarn left over. That's just my edges where I fastened off. But this is how much white I had left. I've still had this much yellow, the black, a little bit of the pink. And so, yeah, great directions. I love that they included pictures with the directions so you could see exactly what to do. But I love it. And that's my review of the Woobles, of the Woobles kit. I highly recommend it if you guys can get one, especially if you'd like to learn how to do amigurumi. This is the kit to get to learn how to do that. So Thank you again, Shannon. And that's my review of the Woobles kit. I hope you guys have a fantastic Friday. My kids are coming in for the weekend and they're not going home until Monday. So I more than likely will not have a Monday video. Um, I may do a post or a short with some pictures from our fun weekend. But if I don't see you on Monday, I will see you Tuesday, and I'll give you an update on the sleep sack that I made for the Toss It Up Tuesday. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Have an awesome weekend.